Welcome back to Na Tech. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at some of the most extreme and fastest chainsaw cutting tree machines and biggest felling tree heavy equipment machines in the industry. These machines are built for speed, power, and precision, tackling massive trees with ease. Whether it's in forestry, construction, or land clearing, these machines are designed to make tree felling safer, faster, and more efficient. So, buckle up as we take you on a thrilling ride through the top 10 fastest and most powerful tree cutting machines you've ever seen. First up is the high-speed chainsaw tree harvester, a machine known for its unmatched speed and precision. This beast of a machine combines the power of a heavy-duty chainsaw with the ability to grip and hold trees while cutting them down. It processes large trees in mere seconds, cutting them at the base and removing branches quickly. Ideal for large-scale forestry operations, this machine is a game-changer in the logging industry. Next, we have the biggest felling machine with chainsaw boom. This machine is a true titan when it comes to cutting down the largest trees. The long boom, equipped with a powerful chainsaw attachment, allows operators to reach tall trees with ease, slicing through thick trunks like butter. Its speed and precision make it one of the fastest tree-felling machines, perfect for areas with dense forests and large trees that need to be cleared quickly. Third on our list is the Chainsaw Excavator Hybrid, an incredible combination of a heavy-duty excavator and a chainsaw. This machine uses the excavator's power and stability to hold and cut large trees with ease. The chainsaw attachment is designed for high-speed cutting, making it perfect for tackling the thickest and tallest trees. The versatility of this machine allows it to work in various terrains, from dense forests to construction sites. The Extreme Chainsaw Grapple Cutter takes tree cutting to another level. It combines the precision of a grapple, which holds the tree securely in place, with the speed and power of a chainsaw. This allows operators to safely control the direction in which the tree falls while cutting it down in a matter of seconds. It's perfect for urban environments where precision and safety are critical, as well as large-scale forestry operations where speed is a priority. Next up is the remote-controlled chainsaw machine, an innovation in safety and efficiency. Operators control this machine from a safe distance, allowing it to cut down trees in hazardous areas like steep slopes or near power lines. The chainsaw attachment is incredibly fast, making quick work of even the largest trees. This machine is ideal for areas where human access is limited or too dangerous, giving the operator full control while staying safe. The fastest hydraulic tree feller is a marvel of speed and power. Using hydraulic force, this machine cuts through thick tree trunks with incredible speed, felling trees in seconds. The hydraulic system allows for precise control, ensuring that the trees fall exactly where they need to. This machine is designed for high-speed, high-efficiency tree felling, making it a favorite in the logging industry. The multi-function tree cutting machine is the ultimate all-in-one solution for tree felling and processing. This machine not only cuts down trees, but also strips off branches and slices the trunk into logs, all in one go. It's designed for maximum efficiency, perfect for large-scale operations where time is of the essence. The machine's speed and versatility make it one of the fastest and most productive tree-cutting machines in the market. Next is the chainsaw loader machine, an innovative piece of equipment that combines the functions of a loader and a chainsaw. This machine can lift massive trees, position them for cutting, and then slice through them with a powerful chainsaw attachment. The ability to both lift and cut makes this machine incredibly efficient, perfect for clearing large areas quickly and safely. The heavy-duty chainsaw logging machine is designed for rapid tree felling in commercial logging operations. Equipped with a high-speed chainsaw, this machine can cut through multiple trees in quick succession, processing them at lightning speed. It's built for large-scale logging, where speed and efficiency are crucial for meeting production goals. The machine's robust design and cutting power make it a vital tool for any serious logging operation. Last but not least, we have the massive chainsaw tree-cutting bulldozer, a machine that combines the raw power of a bulldozer with the cutting speed of a chainsaw. This machine can not only cut down large trees, but also clear debris and smaller trees with ease. Its sheer size and strength make it ideal for clearing large forested areas in record time, while the chainsaw attachment ensures precise cuts and safe tree felling. And that's our look at the extreme fastest chainsaw cutting tree machines and biggest felling tree heavy equipment. From high-speed chainsaw harvesters to multi-function machines, these impressive pieces of equipment are revolutionizing how we approach tree cutting and forestry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below with your favorite machine, and subscribe to SMJHO Na Tech for more amazing content on extreme machines and cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.